Let's go, Raj! Talking about the 68 C10 project. We got the motor running. It runs, but it's nothing I would take to the prom.
No, unless you want to spray for skeeters.
Yeah, you want me to drive around town with fogging skeeters, I can do that really well. And the shifter, it's kind of wonky, but that's no big problem here. We're going to pull that out. We're going to put a 4-speed in the truck. We did some measurements. We think that the Muncie I had in the wagon and the shifter is going to work. I'm going to have to build a little bit of a hump, but that's no big deal. So what we're planning on doing with this truck, I've got a 6-inch rotted 355 short block. We want to see about some kind of a hydraulic roller cam. Probably a Performer RPM or RPM air gap intake.
Yeah, that'd be good for it.
And we're still trying to decide on what carburetor. Got to get a fan shroud. I've got a tack and a set of gauges that we're going to put in it. Got to get a wiring harness.
Yeah, definitely is.
At least for the lights and the engine right now, because I'd like to make it internal regulated alternator. I've got the bracket to put it back up where it should be. Donnie had it powder coated for me.
Yep.
And we're going to run an HEI, and I'd like to have the wiring harness for the HEI. What else is we going to do? Because right now we got it running. We tried C-foam in it.
Yeah.
Donnie had an old set of plug wires that we threw on it, which helped it. And my director. She's kind of bossy. And we need a fan shroud, so if anybody knows where I can get some truck parts, who to go through, because I'd like to put a disc brake kit on this, but I have 6-lug wheels right now, and I'd like to keep it 6-lug front to back.
Yeah.
Because we took the cover off the rear end, and it does have a set of 373s. It's a single track right now, but down the line, we'll put a posi limited slip in it. But I'd like to keep it 6-lug, so if anybody has an idea, any of you C10 guys that's worked on these things, does the disc brake kit come as a 5-lug, or can you get it as a 6-lug? That's our question. We haven't really dug into finding any parts yet for it. I got to get a steering box, because I like the steering box. It's 57 years old. It's a year younger than me, so I know how I feel, so I can about imagine how this thing feels. Donnie's the young buck of the bunch here.
Yeah.
A little bit. But, like, we got a new fuel. We're going to put a stock fuel pump on it, because what we want to do, we want to make this a fun driver. We want to make this that if we're driving anywhere, say the module goes out in the HEI or a fuel pump or a water pump, we can go to a parts store, O'Reilly's, Napa, something like that, and get our parts.
Throw it on and keep going.
Yep. But we want to have a nice sound. We're going to check the Flowmaster knockoffs off.
Yeah. Oh, you're going to try them?
No.
The Widowmaker?
We're gonna take the ones off of here.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And we're going to put the 250 Widowmakers on. I think that'll sound good. Try to find a set of tailpipes for it to come out the side. I'd rather have it come out the side to be underneath the back of the truck.
Yeah.
Tires and rims, we're up in the air on that. I see that they make a set of, like, car-style rallies that I think would look cool on this truck.
Yeah.
Then we got to figure out the tire size, running the 373 gear. I think a 28, 29-inch tall tire so we could at least drive it.
Yeah.
So it's a work in progress, but we're going to pull the motor out of this. We were going to pull the motor out of the Nova wagon because I overcammed it a little bit. It's been a while since I've built a street driver, guys, a cruiser. I'm used to building the cars that go rump and go fast. So, but we decided against that because we'd like to keep the wagon together. But I remembered I had the short block 355.
Yeah.
So we got to find a set of heads. We've got an intake. I've got the lifters. I want to put a roller in it, a hydraulic roller. I've got the push rod to run the fuel pump, special push rod. Other than buying a water pump, radiator hoses, I'm even thinking about a new radiator.
Yeah.
I don't know how old this one is or anything, so it'll have, basically want to get into it, hit the key, fires up, we can drive it anywhere we want. Because if the wagon's not done next year, I wouldn't mind trying to take this on power tour.
That'd be cool.
So that means we got our work cut out for us. I'm not so much worried about the paint and the body work because it's not that bad. We got to do something with the roof where the paint's peeled off.
Yeah, definitely.
And we even threw around the idea, if you look on this hood, it's got these scoops on it. Well, I'm thinking a cowl induction hood too. So, good thing is, it's got good glass. I mean, it's got KYBs on it, so I'm not worried about the shocks. But I would love to have a disc brake kit.
Maybe a little better.
It'd be safer. Drum brakes, yeah, I know that they were the in thing back then. But nowadays, I'd rather be safe and have a good mechanically sound truck before we start to do anything with the body. So what do you think, Donnie? What would be your ideas?
My idea, pretty much the same idea you have, 'cause you know me. I like your ideas. You go do it, but I think it'll run good.
I mean, it's already got a set of headers on it.
Yep, you got your headers. You already got mufflers in there.
I mean, I got a lot of the parts.
Yeah, you got a lot of parts for it.
Missing a set of heads and a cam.
So I think it'll sound good. I think it'll run good. Go down the road with it.
We'll have to figure out a carburetor.
Yeah.
Because I don't think a 600 elder block is going to be enough.
No, I ain't.
It's going to have to at least have a 650, I would think, at the smallest.
Yeah.
But yeah, tat gauges, clean up the inside.
Yeah, clean it all up. Yeah, order some buffing compound. We might even buff it. It'll look even better.
That's fancy for me.
Yeah. It's in the green Nova.
Yeah, but
That's nice.
that's a beater.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, it's the ideas we're throwing around right now. Like I said, any C10 owners that worked on these things, put it in the comments. Let us know where you're getting your parts at, who you're dealing with, who gives you the best deals, where to find disc brake kits, shroud. I think I can get a radiator from. I think I looked one up on Jegs today.
I think you Jake Summit.
Well, Summit. I haven't got through all the pages yet. They got a lot of truck parts.
Yeah.
But yeah. So that's our plan for this. This weekend, we're going to go to the F&W car show.
Yep. Josh Wise.
Yeah, Josh Wise. He runs a machine shop over in Archbold, Ohio. He does our machine work for us. So we're going to go over and support him and go over and we'll take the camera with us. We'll go look at the cars.
They have a lot of cars, and I'll tell you that. I was there a couple years ago. And it was big. I imagine probably bigger now. I'm not sure.
Maybe even get a chance. Maybe we can get to talk to Josh.
Yeah, if he wants to talk, we'll get him on here.
Yep. Put him in an arm lock, headlock, something like that.
Talk, man!
But yeah, he's a good dude. Good guy. Like him. He's just a regular car guy like us.
Yeah. Got a hot rod.
Yes.
So, sorry it's been a little bit since we posted our last video. I was a little busy last week. I got married. I'll take condolences and cards now, guys.
You're not making fun.
But yeah. reimbursed me and all my hot rods and stuff. It's all good.
Yep.
You can put the gun down now.
There's no gun.
So we just wanted to give you guys a quick insight on the 68 C10. We're not forgetting about the Nova wagon.
Nope.
We've got the paint. We just would like to get this running because my goal is 3 weeks.
3 weeks is better.
We've got a Halloween party at my niece's house, and I would like to drive this. I guess it's got the nickname Bumblebee. It's a lot of black. Well, it's a little bit of black, a lot of yellow.
Yeah.
But yeah. But it's a real nice truck.
Very solid.
You know, the kid I bought it from, I think in 5 or 6 years,
He's gonna say, "I'll buy that back."
he's gonna wish he wouldn't have sold it. But maybe he subscribes to my YouTube channel. He sees that it went to a good home. And
Oh yeah,
it's gonna get a lot of love.
Definitely got a good home.
So
You can't go by your Nova, your 78 Nova, and yeah. And of course your 64s come
well, yeah, that wagon sat for
20-some years.
20.
23.
No. Oh yeah, about 23 because I just started working on it now. Again, it runs.
Wait, Mom's moving.
Yeah, she's a little hot, but she runs. So yeah, that's our plans. The next video you'll probably see, if it's not pulling the motor out of this, it's going to be Donnie and I going to the car show.
Yeah.
Are we taking Oompa Loompas with us?
The Oompa Loompas are going.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not hard to mix their names up either.
No, not hard at all. We say one name, they both answer.
They both answer. So
That's kind of cool.
So keep looking for some more videos. We're going to start, since I'm done with the wedding now, it's time to get back on the hot rods and start busting some butt. I think, Donnie, you got your wedges in.
I got my wedges in, yeah. We got to take that out, see how that works out.
Yep, we'll have to, at some point we're going to take it out, see how he does, since we put the 2-degree wedges in it, give him some more pinion.
Yeah, and I've been looking for tires, so. Hey, whole Mullins, my buddy, got a speed shop by us.
Yeah, Dave Mullins.
Yeah.
Hey, I'd like you to sponsor the channel.
Yeah, sponsor
Be good for you.
Throw me some tires, that'd be great.
Be a good thing for you to do, Dave. See if you're watching.
I don't want to say special thanks to Mike for letting me borrow his trailer to get the truck. So mine was a little on the skinny side, so we couldn't get it on there. So I want to thank Mike Rody here for that.
Well, he's a car guy.
Yep, he's got a couple of them.
Didn't you say he got an old truck?
Yeah, he's got I think it's a 62 Chevy. He's putting the motor together because it's smoke. So he's putting that together, and he's got a 70, I think that's a 71 Nova with a 383 4-speed. Nice car, so.
4-speed.
Yeah.
4-speed, good thing.
Yeah.
So, nothing else?
Not saying. My bees being kind of close. Yep. I think this is a big sunflower or something.
Man, don't get it given that name.
Oh, no.
I'll take Bumblebee before that name.
We'll be painting it.
If I paint it, you know where it's going.
I know. Bad boy green.
Yep. So, till next time, guys, build what you want. Don't let anybody else tell you what to build. You're the one building it. You're the one spending the money. Yep. Enjoy it. Get them out and drive them.
Yes.
Don't let them sit in the garage. This is what they're made to do. Drive them.
Drive them, let people see them. People love them.
Everybody loves these old vehicles.
Especially older folks.
So until next time, guys, we'll see you on Moose's Garage.